Did you know that a single volcanic eruption can release more energy than all the nuclear bombs ever detonated combined? That's right, volcanoes are nature's powerhouses. These majestic giants not only create new land, but also shape our climate. Just imagine how the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in '91 cooled the Earth by nearly 1 degree. Think about it. Volcanoes are like Earth's safety valves, releasing pressure and preventing bigger disasters. So the next time you enjoy a sunny day, remember the hidden power beneath our feet. What if we could harness this volcanic energy? Imagine a world powered by nature's fiery force. How would that change our lives?